Hey everyone, welcome to Stock Market Secrets Unlocked India edition. This is day 1, and today we're going to talk about something very basic but super important. What exactly is the stock market? Now, think of the stock market like a huge marketplace, but instead of buying clothes, phones, or groceries, people here buy pieces of companies. These pieces are called stocks or shares. When a company wants to grow, maybe they want to open new branches, build a new factory, or launch a new product, they need money. Instead of taking a big loan from a bank, they can raise that money from the public. So they divide their company into small parts called shares and sell those to investors. When you buy a share, you're not just spending money, you're actually becoming a part owner of that company. For example, if you buy one share of Reliance or Infosys, you technically own a small part of that company. If the company does well and makes profits, the value of your share usually goes up and you can earn a profit by selling it later. But if the company doesn't perform well, your share value can also go down. So, the stock market is a place where you share both the rewards and risk of a company's journey. Now, where does all this buying and selling actually happen? It happens on big digital platforms called stock exchanges. In India, we mainly have two: the NSE National Stock Exchange and the BSE Bombay Stock Exchange. These two are the main stock exchanges of India. They're like the marketplaces where all the trading takes place. Every time you buy or sell a stock, your order goes through one of these exchanges. Let's understand them quickly. The BSE or Bombay Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. It was established in 1875 and is based in Mumbai. It's home to the famous SENSEX, which is an index that tracks the performance of 30 of the biggest and most actively traded companies in India, like Reliance, TCS, HDFC Bank, Infosys, and others. The NSE or National Stock Exchange is a bit newer. It started in 1992 and is also headquartered in Mumbai. The NSE brought modern electronic trading to India, meaning everything happens digitally now. Its main index is called the Nifty 50, which tracks 50 major companies listed on the exchange. So basically, the NSE and BSE are the two platforms that connect millions of buyers and sellers across India. Whenever you open your trading app like Zerodha, Grove, or Upstocks and click on buy or sell, your trade is executed through one of these exchanges. There are also two main type of markets you should know about. The first is the primary market. This is where a company sells its shares to the public for the very first time. That process is called an IPO or initial public offering. You might have heard of IPOs like Zomato, LIC, or Nika. That's how these companies got listed on the stock market. The second is the secondary market. This is where investors buy and sell those shares with each other after the IPO. So all your daily buying and selling of stocks happens here. This is what we usually refer to as the stock market. In simple words, the stock market helps companies raise money to grow, and it gives investors like you a chance to grow your wealth. It's a system that keeps our economy running, helps businesses expand, and gives ordinary people an opportunity to participate in India's growth story. So that's the basic idea of what the stock market is and how it works in India. In our next session, day 2, we'll dive even deeper into the world of investing. You'll learn how companies are created, how they grow, and what it really means when a company decides to go public through an IPO, an initial public offering. Make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching and welcome to the world of investing.